My name is Nagaraj. I'm a 2023 graduate from AMC Engineering College. After the graduation, I was working in a technical sales role, but it was my passion to get into the embedded system, and I was very interested about this. For that reason, I was looking for a good institute to start learning about the embedded system, where I got to know about the Indian Institute of Embedded System. Then I joined here for the online batch. So the course duration was 8 months, and the people like in a batch it was only 20 people. During this time, I was trained in C, C++, embedded C, and Linux, Python, and 8051 microcontroller and the LPC 1768 microcontroller. After the completion of the course, I got multiple mock tests. So during this time, the teachers and the placements they were very supportive. They gave me multiple interview options. So after attending the interview at the Trident Infocell, I got placed in the Trident Infocell as an application and design support engineer. So I'm very thankful to the placement cell and the Indian Institute of Embedded System team. If someone is looking for to start their career or to learn about the embedded system, I would suggest you to join the IIES. Thank you.